Snowplow train. Snowplow train. A train equipped with a snowplow to clear snow from railway tracks, ensuring that other trains can pass through safely during winter conditions. Subway train. Subway train. An underground or elevated train system designed for rapid transit in urban areas, commonly used for commuting within cities. Cable car. Cable car. A train-like vehicle that is pulled along tracks by a moving cable, often used on steep inclines or in hilly cities. Double-decker train. Double-decker train. A train with 2 levels of seating, designed to carry more passengers on busy routes. Bullet train. Bullet train. A high-speed train, particularly common in Japan, known for its streamlined design and ability to travel at very high speeds. Diesel train. Diesel train. A train powered by diesel engines, often used where electric trains are not feasible. Funicular. Funicular. A type of cable railway system used on steep slopes, where 2 counterbalanced trains are connected by a cable. Container train. Container train. A freight train designed to carry large containers, typically used for transporting goods over long distances. Tram train. Tram train. A train that can run on both city tram tracks and main railway tracks, providing flexible transit options in urban areas. Tanker train. Tanker train. A freight train made up of tank cars, designed to transport liquids or gases, such as oil or chemicals. Steam locomotive. Steam locomotive. An old-fashioned train powered by steam engines, historically significant and often seen in museums or as tourist attractions. Maglev train. Maglev train. A train that uses magnetic levitation to float above the tracks, allowing it to travel at very high speeds with minimal friction. Monorail. Monorail. A train that runs on a single rail, usually elevated, and often used in airports, theme parks, or urban transit systems. Freight train. Freight train. A train dedicated to transporting goods and cargo rather than passengers. Rail bus. Rail bus. A lightweight, bus-like train often used on rural or less busy railway lines. Electric locomotive. Electric locomotive. A train powered by electricity from overhead wires or an electrified third rail, commonly used in modern rail networks. Hybrid train. Hybrid train. A train that uses multiple power sources, such as diesel and electric, allowing it to operate on different types of tracks. High-speed train. High-speed train. A train designed to travel at speeds much higher than conventional trains, typically used for long-distance travel between major cities. Fire attack train. Fire attack train. A train equipped with firefighting equipment, used to combat fires along railway lines or in remote areas accessible by train. Suspended railway. Suspended railway. A type of train that hangs from an overhead track, such as the Wuppertal suspension railway in Germany. Military train. Military train. A train used for transporting troops, military equipment, and supplies during wartime. Thomas train. Thomas train. Fictional train character from the Thomas and Friends children's series, known for its friendly face and adventures on the island of Sodor.